Our experimental proverb is distracted by what is far away, he does not see his nose. This statement suggests that distraction by something causes failure to notice something obvious. As we focus on something, we do not notice what is right in front of us.
Our hypothesis is, when told to focus on a scene, the subject will only notice what they are told about. Unaddressed details surrounding the scene will not be noted. This is due to selective attention, the capacity for or process of reacting to certain stimuli selectively when several other occur simultaneously.
We came up with an experiment to test our hypothesis. The procedure is as follows. We created a video that would have our subjects watch, and then we would ask them a few questions about it after. The video has letters pass by on the screen, as well as two people in the frame who perform different tasks, acting as distractions. Those in the experimental group would watch the video not being informed of the distractions and are asked how many letters they saw.
20.
They were also asked how many people they saw on the screen and what each person was doing.
The guy who was putting on his hoodie, and you disappeared.
He's staring at the field.
Those in the control group would do the same, but would be told about the distractions before viewing the video.
So how many letters were there?
20.
How many people were there?
2.
What was the first person doing?
I was paying attention.
Do you know what the other person was doing?
Putting on his hood.
Identification. Our independent variable is information of the distractions. The dependent variable is the subject's awareness of the surroundings. The experimental group are those who are not given the information of the distractions. The control group are those given information of the distractions. The experiment represents the broad population of humans.
Data. These are the results of the questions asked after the viewing of the video. The experimental group and the control group. Of the experimental group, those not told of the distractions, 6 of the 8 subjects noticed the distraction and 2 did not. Only 1 subject was able to describe what the people in the video were doing, and 7 were not. Of the control group, those who were told about the distractions, 7 of the 8 noticed the distractions and 1 did not. 5 subjects were able to describe what the people in the video were doing, and 3 were not.
Conclusion. Our hypothesis was wrong, but not completely. Some of those who were not told about the distractions did notice them anyway. But more people who were told of the distractions noticed them. This conveys people are more attentive to what is going on around them when they are made aware of their environment. In addition, most of those who were not told of the distractions were not able to correctly describe most actions of the people in the video, showing they were not paying attention to them. Most of the subjects who were told of the distraction were able to correctly describe the actions of the people in the video, displaying they were attentive to the distractions. Our hypothesis is incorrect because we predicted the experimental group would not notice the distractions, when in fact they did. However, it was partially correct as it predicted the details would be noticed by those who were told of the distractions, as they did. The experiment exposed that someone is aware of their environment but does not actually pay attention to it unless it is specifically addressed.
The proverb is incorrect because if he is paying attention to something far away, he will know his nose is there but will not be aware of what he's doing.